Hi, Jake with Dow Dynamics. Today we're out on location to show you an exciting new product for the 2019 Dodge Charger. These are our new multicolor LED DRL boards. Now these give you full RGBW color changing at the push of a button, which means thousands of custom color options as well as a pure white DRL when you're on the street thanks to a dedicated white chip. Now you might be familiar with our multicolor LED boards for the 2015 to 2018 Charger, but we've redesigned them for the 2019 model using a single board to give you the same vivid color experience that you're used to with our version for the previous model years. Now these do require opening the headlights for installation, so we would recommend working with a professional installer. In this case, we worked with Retro Shop out of St. Charles, Missouri to have these installed, just to make sure that the installation is done properly. For more information on our multicolor LED boards for the 2019 and up Dodge Charger, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.